Hey gorgeous souls, it's Lily. Have you ever stood in front of your closet feeling like you have absolutely nothing to wear, even though it's literally overflowing with clothes? Or maybe you see someone with such effortless style and wonder, how do they make it look so easy? Well, today we're going to solve that mystery together. I'm going to walk you through my proven step-by-step method to discover your unique fashion identity. And I'm talking about everything from finding your signature color palette, to choosing the perfect hairstyle for your face shape, to creating makeup looks that enhance your natural beauty. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to building a style that feels authentically you. So grab your favorite drink, get cozy, and let's dive into finding your fashion identity.
Okay, step 1, and this is crucial. We need to understand your lifestyle and personality because your style should work for you, not against you. Start by asking yourself these questions. Are you always on the go, or do you prefer a slower pace? Do you work in a corporate environment, or are you more creative and free-spirited? Are you someone who loves being the center of attention, or do you prefer to blend in elegantly? For example, if you're a busy mom who's always chasing after kids, those gorgeous high heels and delicate fabrics might not be practical for your daily life. But that doesn't mean you can't look amazing. Instead, you might gravitate toward chic sneakers, comfortable but stylish jeans, and tops that can handle whatever your day throws at you. Your personality also plays a huge role. If you're naturally bold and outgoing, you might feel amazing in bright colors and statement pieces. If you're more introverted and prefer subtle elegance, you might feel more confident in neutral tones and classic silhouettes. The key is being honest about who you are and what your life actually looks like, not what you think it should look like. Now let's talk about one of the most game-changing aspects of personal style, finding your color palette. This is literally going to transform how you look and feel in your clothes. Here's a simple test you can do at home. Stand in front of a mirror in natural light. This is super important, and hold up different colored fabrics or clothing items near your face. You're looking for colors that make your skin look brighter, your eyes more vibrant, and just overall make you look more awake and healthy. Generally, if you have warm undertones, think golden, peachy, or yellow hints in your skin, you'll look amazing in warm colors like coral, camel, olive green, and warm browns. If you have cool undertones, pink, red, or blue hints, try jewel tones like emerald, sapphire blue, burgundy, and true reds. Don't forget about neutrals. These are your foundation colors. Cool-toned people often look stunning in crisp white, true black, and cool grays, while warm-toned beauties shine in cream, warm browns, and soft grays. Once you find your palette, stick to it when shopping. This makes getting dressed so much easier because everything will naturally coordinate. Let's move on to silhouettes. This is about finding cuts and shapes that make you feel confident and comfortable in your own skin. First, forget everything you've heard about hiding parts of your body. We're not hiding anything, we're highlighting what makes you feel amazing. If you love your shoulders, show them off with off-the-shoulder tops or statement sleeves. If you feel confident about your legs, embrace shorter hemlines or well-fitted pants. Here are some universal tips. High-waisted bottoms are incredibly flattering on most people because they elongate your legs and define your waist. If you want to create curves, try fit and flare dresses or tops that nip in at the waist. For a more streamlined look, straight-leg pants and A-line skirts are your best friends. The most important thing is how the clothes make you feel. If you put something on and immediately feel like you need to adjust it or you're uncomfortable, it's probably not the right fit for you, regardless of what size it is or what's trendy right now. Pay attention to proportions too. If you're petite, avoid overwhelming yourself with oversized everything. If you're taller, you can absolutely rock dramatic proportions and bold silhouettes. Your hairstyle can completely transform your entire look, so let's talk about finding cuts that complement your beautiful face. For oval faces, you lucky ones, almost everything works. Try bobs, layers, bangs, you name it. Round faces look amazing with styles that add height on top, like layered cuts or side-swept bangs that don't cut straight across. If you have a square face, soft, wavy styles and side parts will beautifully balance your strong jawline. Long faces benefit from width. Think curtain bangs or styles with volume on the sides rather than height on top. Heart-shaped faces look stunning with chin-length bobs or styles that add fullness at the jawline to balance a wider forehead. But here's the thing, these are guidelines, not rules. The most important factor is your hair texture and your lifestyle. If you have naturally curly hair, work with those curls instead of fighting them. If you're someone who hits snooze 3 times every morning, maybe skip the high-maintenance cut that requires 30 minutes of styling. Talk to your stylist about what works with your natural texture and your daily routine. The best haircut is one that makes you feel confident and works with your real life. Now let's create your signature makeup look, something that enhances your natural beauty and makes you feel put together without taking forever. Start with the basics. Find a foundation or tinted moisturizer that matches your skin perfectly and feels comfortable. Your signature look might be as simple as great skin, a swipe of mascara, and a lip color that makes you happy. Think about your best features. Do you have gorgeous eyes? Maybe your signature is a subtle smoky eye or really great mascara and defined brows. Beautiful lips. Find your lips but better shade that you can wear anywhere. For every day, I always recommend focusing on one feature. If you're doing a bold lip, keep the eyes more neutral. If you want dramatic eyes, go easier on the lip color. Consider your lifestyle too. If you're always touching your face or drinking coffee, maybe skip the high-maintenance lipstick for every day and invest in a great lip stain or tinted balm instead. The goal is to enhance what you already have, not to transform into someone else. Your signature makeup should make you look like the most polished, confident version of yourself. Accessories are where you can really let your personality shine, and they're often what people remember about your style. Think about developing a signature accessory. Maybe it's always wearing interesting earrings, or having an amazing watch, or carrying unique bags. This becomes part of your style identity. Consider your lifestyle when choosing accessories too. If you work with your hands a lot, maybe rings aren't practical, but a signature necklace could be perfect. If you're always carrying a million things, invest in beautiful, functional bags rather than tiny, cute purses that don't work for your life. Quality over quantity is key here. It's better to have a few pieces you absolutely love and wear constantly than a jewelry box full of things you never reach for. And don't forget about shoes. They can completely change the vibe of an outfit. Find a few pairs in your color palette that work with multiple outfits, comfortable flats, versatile boots, and maybe one pair that makes you feel absolutely amazing, even if they're not the most practical. Alright, beautiful, let's bring this all together. Your fashion identity is the intersection of your lifestyle, your personality, your color palette, your best silhouettes, and the details that make you feel amazing. Here's your action plan. This week, go through your closet and pull out the pieces that make you feel incredible when you wear them. What do they have in common? That's your starting point. Then identify any gaps. Maybe you need more tops in your best colors, or you need better basics in flattering silhouettes. Remember, developing your personal style is a journey, not a destination. Be patient with yourself and have fun with it. Fashion should bring you joy, not stress. Your style should feel like you, not like you're wearing a costume or trying to be someone else. When you find that sweet spot where you feel comfortable, confident, and authentically yourself, that's when you know you've found your fashion identity. I hope this helps you on your style journey. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what your biggest style challenge is. I might just make a video about it. Don't forget to subscribe for more style and beauty tips, and I'll see you in the next one. Love you guys.